Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Hey, Wenzo. Hey, do you want to get in it? Do you want me to open it up? No, baby, that's not. Here, I help. Hey, Wenzo. No, don't rip it. Don't rip it. You're gonna break it. Windsor. What are you doing? Does it not need handles? You don't want it to have handles? This is Enzo. He's 6 months old. He likes to chew. He's a conehead because he got neutered last week. Look, here. What? I hope. Do you want me to open it back up? Hey. That's not... Look. No, here, look. He's got it by the handle. What are you going to do with it, Windsor? Where are you taking it?